Good afternoon. My name is Hae-sun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with the labor attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will discuss about the particular companies who have employees less than 5 people, especially in regards to the application of Labor Standard Act. These small companies cannot benefit the full legal protection. So could you explain the current situation, please?
Yes, okay. Hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. Today's Labor Daily showed some interesting article regarding expansion of labor law application for those companies with less than 5 workers. So according to Article 15, Article 11 of the Labor Standard Act stipulated this Labor Standard Act is applied to the company that hired 5 workers or more. So that means those companies that hired less than 5 will apply to the limited part of Labor Standard Act. So those applicable articles are wage or employment contract, like a written employment contract, or some weekly holiday, or the recess period, or kind of maternity leave, also work-related accident. However, the companies that hired less than 5 will not applicable to like a remedy claim for dismissal, also overtime payment for the hours exceeding contractual working hours, also government like statutory holidays, like government holidays, also like annual paid leave. So these the articles, they are not applicable to those small companies that hired less than 5. So now the lawmakers also, the nominee for labor ministry, minister like promised to the people he will support the expansion of labor law for those companies that hired less than 5. Yeah, that is the main issue showed on this paper.
Yeah, I understand in Korea that less than 5 people, those companies occupy more than 50% of the total number of companies. So it means that it's very important to establish a proper labor law that can protect those small companies. Do you agree?
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, so that is what these lawmakers and like a new labor minister suggested. Like it is necessary to have the extended application of the labor law for the companies that hired less than 5. So those people, those workers who are working for a small company cannot be protected by law, like many articles. So I think expansion of labor law for those companies who the hired less than 5, I mean it will help many the workers. However, we have to consider what about small the employer that hired those the companies that hired less than 5. So employer of those companies also must be considered. They are so important after they like grew up with starting 1 or 2. Then when they are healthy enough, then labor law can be applicable widely. Then that is why the gradual application of labor law was introduced. So however, if it is applied all to the company that hired less than 5, it will affect negatively to the companies. Of course, workers, they enjoy more benefit. So I think my opinion is gradual application of labor law, like overtime allowance, also limit of working hours per week per day. I think these are necessary to support some workers working at small company that hired less than 5. Yeah.
Yeah, so as you said, at the moment, in order to amend or establish a proper law that can apply to these small companies is at the table of the lawmakers at the National Assembly. So it means it will take a little bit of time until they come up with the proper law. Is that right?
Yeah,
Labor law?
yeah. So I think I'm very much sure that there will be some changes, but I think that means it will not completely apply to the all the articles of Labor Standard Act. So, but however, it is very clear. So government will expand the application of labor law for the companies that hire less than 5, because many workers they are suffering from loss protection or some very discriminative the application. Yeah.
So this is why many companies owner can only hire less than 5 people and take advantage of the labor workers who cannot be protected with the current Labor Standard Act.
Yeah, that's right. Some companies they they can keep one company, but they separate based on location. So the reason is they want to keep their workers less than 5. So that is the main reason. So when they have less than 5, the working condition is very different. So then they may consider it is a saving or it is protection way. However, those companies like the labor law is applied more to the workers who work at the companies less than 5. Then I'm sure they will not consider some separate management of their business, but they focus on their own. Maybe one company is one. When they have one company with a different location, it will be more conveniently organized. Yeah, so they will not consider some building less than 5. Yeah, but they focus on more for the bigger company. So that will be very positive part of introducing more some application of labor law to the companies that hired less than 5. Yeah.
So I hope the lawmakers can speed up the process and so that the small companies, labor workers can be protected from the general terms and conditions of Labor Standard Act.
Yeah, I very much hope so. I fully agree with you for your the opinion. So definitely, what you can see on today's paper, definitely there will be big change for expansion of labor law to the company that hired less than 5. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.